Today I'm checking out the Tamron 500mm f8 reflex lens, an older mirror-style telephoto. Mine's a Nikon F mount, so I had to use an adapter to fit it on my EF camera. What makes this lens interesting is how small and light it is. You'd never guess a 500mm lens could be this compact. It's also said to be one of the sharpest reflex lenses out there. Reflex lenses have a unique design, which gives them that donut-shaped bokeh. And while it's marked at f8, the actual T-stop is closer to T11, since the front mirror blocks like 1/3 of the light. It also comes with a lens hood, which is super important. Reflex lenses are prone to flaring, and the hood actually helps with sharpness and contrast. This lens can focus fairly close, up to about 1 to 0.3 magnification, so you can get semi-macro shots too. The focus ring is stiff though, and turning it can shake the camera, so it's a bit of a workout. The hardest part isn't holding it steady, it's finding your subject at 500mm. Since it's a prime lens, you can't just zoom out to search and zoom in later. It's all or nothing. Here's some video of me trying to focus on birds. I also shot some flowers to show off the close focusing. For sharpness, I tested it on a chart outside. There's some vignetting, but the image quality is solid, even in the corners.